In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to BCC meeting invitation recipients in Outlook using Hide Attendee List, Web and New Outlook. If you've ever needed to invite a group to a meeting without exposing everyone's addresses, Outlook has options to keep attendee details private. I'll show you the modern, most reliable method first, and then a safe workaround for the classic desktop app. Start in Outlook on the web or in the New Outlook for Windows app. Go to your calendar and create a new event. At the top, look for response options. Open that menu and choose Hide Attendee List. This tells Outlook to keep all invitees invisible to each other. So when your recipients get the invite, they'll only see the organizer's name. Now add your attendees as you normally would and send the invite. That's it. Behind the scenes, Outlook handles the privacy for you, including for updates and cancellations, which makes this the most reliable modern method for hiding the list of recipients from one another. It's great for larger distributions, events where privacy matters, or any meeting where you don't want participant details shared. If you are using the classic desktop version of Outlook and don't see the Hide Attendee List option, here is a practical workaround using the Resources field. Create a new meeting. Click the To button or the Required button to open your address book. Search for the people you want to invite, select them, and then click the Resources button at the bottom. This places those recipients in the Resources field rather than as visible attendees. Click OK to return to your meeting window. Here is one crucial step here to keep things private. Outlook will automatically add the names you placed in Resources to the Location field. Before you send the invite, delete those names from the Location field. Leaving them there would reveal the list to everyone, so make sure that field only contains your intended location details or is left blank if you don't need one. After you remove the names from the Location field, send the invite. Your recipients will receive the meeting, but they won't see who else was invited. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.